In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paperform, a versatile tool that makes creating forms and automations easy and intuitive. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will help you get started with confidence. First things first, let's head over to the Paperform website. Here, you'll need to either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Once you've done that, you'll be greeted with the option to create a new form. You can start from scratch with a blank form, which gives you complete creative control, or if you're looking to save some time, you might choose to use one of their handy pre-made templates. These templates can be an excellent starting point, especially if you're not yet sure what kind of form you want to build. After you've decided how you'd like to begin your form, we'll move on to adding questions. This is where you bring your form to life. Start by typing your questions directly into the form. Paperform offers a range of field options such as multiple choice, drop-down menus, file uploads, and even payments if your form requires it. Customization is key when it comes to making your form stand out. That brings us to adjusting the design and settings. You have the ability to change colors and fonts within Paperform to ensure your form aligns with your brand or personal style. Remember, visual coherence plays a significant role in how your respondents experience your form. So spend a little time here to get it just right. You also want to look at your notification settings to make sure you're getting alerted about new responses the way you prefer, whether via email or through other integrations. Now that your form looks the part, it's ready to be published and shared with the world. Paperform makes this easy. You can copy a direct link to your form, embed it on your website if that's where you'd like to host it, or share it through email. Think about where your target audience is most likely to access the form and choose the best sharing option based on that. Finally, a form is only as useful as the responses it gathers. So once your form is live, tracking and viewing responses is a crucial step. Paperform allows you to view the answers collected and even offers options to export this data for analysis or record keeping. It's handy if you need to compile results for meetings or reports and leverages the power of data to inform your decisions. And there you have it. That's a quick yet comprehensive guide to getting started with Paperform. By following these simple steps, you'll have a professional, functioning form in no time, ready to collect all the information you need. Happy form building.